Okay, so this is a video about the different scales of measurement. Now there are different types of scales of measurement. One is nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio. So now I will explain one by one what is a nominal. Now nominal is a type of data where we explain the category, the different categories of data. For example, we can take male, female, or students from different, say, religions, say Hindu, Muslim, Christian. So three categories. So only when the data is in the form of some category, it is called a nominal data, and this is only a classification of data. Ordinal, next is ordinal. Ordinal data is that data where we can arrange. Suppose in any contest, suppose in student contest, the students are arranged into their ascending order. So first, second, third student, or say different types of say ranking data are called ordinal data ranking. Next is interval. Suppose we take the temperature of 5 days, say Monday, or say for the week, all the day week's temperature, Monday, Tuesday, and we can write this. So what will happen is that we'll have temperatures, and this is called the interval data. Interval data means that what we can do is that if I mention 5 days temperature, so what is the difference between first and second day, the second and the third day? The difference can also be measured. So this is where the interval can be measured. The gap between the data can be measured. And finally, the ratio. In ratio scale, there will be a absolute zero. Suppose money, a father and a son. Father has, say, has a salary of 50,000, and the son has a salary of 25,000. So the father is having double the salary of the son. So the data can be in the form of a ratio. So the father is having twice the salary of the son. So we can make a ratio, we can find a difference. We have a absolute zero.